Just another day checking the sky over London. All these clouds were created by aircraft, and slowly they've accumulated to create this silvery haze. It's just the way things go. The exhaust from planes, known as chemtrails, thought to be geoengineering, just leave trails in the sky, and nobody's noticing, nobody really cares, and nobody knows what a real cloud is anymore. Some days the skies are clear, but these clouds like this, these silvery hazy clouds, it's thought to be emissions from the aircraft that weren't there decades ago but are here now. This is Mr. Flat Taxi signing off from London in January 2015.